19 Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE 43. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Very quiet. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. So it's right at 93, 94 basically. Wow, it's so quiet. All right, guys, this is with its Sport Plus Plus mode. The AMG valves open. Same. Yeah, it's still the same. Again. Yeah, still 91. Okay. 2019 Mercedes GLE AMG by Turbo. See it over there? Very beautiful car, very sexy. As you guys can see, what we got done on this beautiful beast. So we showed you before and let you hear it before. Factory converter still up there somewhere, shoved away. Then we did a mid resonator delete there. Then kept the factory X pipe and then did a rear muffler delete. It's usually all the way across. So we deleted the muffler there and there. And we'll show you guys the muffler, and then the tips are built into the bumper. So we left that alone right there. There's the two resonators that were in the middle. As you guys can see, they're straight through the side. There's that gigantic muffler that we cut off right there. It's huge. There it is. So it was a dual in, dual out. It was a true dual system in there. So we took all that out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 2019 Mercedes GLE 43 AMG by Turbo. Man, that was a mouthful. Anyways, what we got done on for you guys today, it's got factory converters up there and up there. Then it's got this pretty old stainless steel piping. Then it's got two huge resonators. Then it comes with a factory X pipe right in the center. Really pretty. Then what we put on it is he brought his own exhaust system. It is called Meister Chef something. I don't know. We'll get you guys a part number if we can. A whole stainless steel system with tips and everything. The tips come already built into the bumper, so it just rolls into them right there. Really nice system, as you guys can see. It was a pain in the butt to put on, but it worked. There's the muffler that we cut off, this gigantic thing right here. And replace it with this nice stainless steel shiny muffler. A Meister Chef door. If you guys can pronounce it, let me know. But anyways, there it is, AMG GLE 43. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think, man? Yes! Yes, sir! Now you can hear the turbo. Wow. That's perfect. Put it in the gas. It's reaching all this 100. Imagine under load, man. So good. Let's do Sport Plus Plus. All right, this is Sport Plus Plus. Let's see if it changes the sound any. Here's sound decibels. Still the same. Change the sound. Go ahead and back it out. Oh, that sounds so good. All right, guys. Let you guys hear it on this. Not bad. It's different. There's sound decibels. again. It's got a really nice fancy look when you do it. That's a completely different sound, man. Wow. There's a muffler we took off and a master chip or whatever system is put on. Give it gas. The sound doesn't work. I like it. Those bi-turbos, man, make it sound like crazy. What do you guys think? Let us know. Let me let you hear on the inside. Bi-turbo, fully straight piped. GLE 43 AMG. And I like it. Let's go! Whoa! Oh my God!